How's it going today? I wanted to bring my helpers here to give you an example of how we're talking about the brain in our house and how we're working on regulating it during these uncertain times. So I mentioned a few times yesterday that when we started learning about all the things that were coming our way, the changes, the shifts in our worlds, that we were going to need to build in breath and movement to our routine each and every day. So most days, not all days, because we're certainly not perfect, but most days we start our mornings with some deep breathing and then some calm down yoga, which is just 5 little movements with some positive self-talk. So a couple days into it, my youngest here came to me and said, "Why do you keep trying to make us calm all the time?" And I realized that I haven't told her what's happening. So she might think that I am trying to get her to ignore emotions or just be sort of zen all the time, when really I was trying to help her build a skill, right? To regulate, to self-regulate, to know when you need it and to know what to do. So then I turned to a strategy that I used as a therapist with my younger kiddos and have used in classrooms before. So I'm hoping this will be something that can help you or help parents at home as we navigate all of this change and uncertainty, right? So we each have our own, you're like make your own calm down jars. So ours are glitter jars. And can you guys show them your jars? We call them our brains. So we have our brains here and you can see they're all pretty clear. So we say this is a calm, regulated brain, ready to learn, ready to just enjoy the day and take things as they come. But we know that our brains aren't always primed for learning. They aren't always in this state, right? Especially lately. So as some of the big changes have come, we've had some emotional responses. Understandably, I'm sure you have as well. So what are some things that gave you guys big emotions?
When they told us that school was canceled for 2 months.
Right. So when we heard the school was closed until May 1st, we had some really big reactions. We were upset. What else?
Because I wouldn't be able to see my friends, and that's a little like they're being mean to us.
You felt like, yeah, sure. You felt mad, you felt hurt, right? You don't get to see your friends, you don't get to go to school. Yeah. We missed birthday parties, and our worlds were disrupted, as were yours, and everyone's right now. So what happens? Show me what happened when you found out school was closed. Right, all the feelings took over, right? And so you can kind of see in here, all the glitter, we talk about that as being all the feelings. And our feelings took over our brain and they made them really kind of foggy. We weren't able to make logical decisions. We weren't able to use our prefrontal cortex or our learning brain. And so the more things that came, the more glitter filled our jar. And we had to come up with some solutions or some strategies, right, to get through it. So what do we do? What do you guys like to do to calm your brain?
I like to journal and take big, deep breaths.
Okay, journaling, taking big, deep breaths. What about you? What do you like to do?
I like to draw.
You like to draw? Yeah. So we like to go to a quiet place and draw, journal, take some deep breaths. You said that you like to brush your hair, right? No, okay.
I like to read.
Oh, read? Right. Maybe listen to some calming music. Just take a breather. And so sometimes we take our brains with us and we give them a nice good shake to have a visual of what's happening and to understand that it's a stress response. It's nothing we did wrong. It's normal. We can name it. We can say, I'm mad, I'm frustrated, I'm scared. And then we can tame it. I know what to do, right? I take some deep breaths. I journal. I talk to a friend. We have some strategies. And the more we do those strategies, the more our brain starts to calm and regulate. So that is just a really quick example of what we have done here. I hope it's helpful, something that you can demonstrate for your students or for your family at home, give to parents who are having a hard time. And that's it from us. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today's gonna be a great day.
Today's gonna be a great day.
That's right, bye.